Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting tracks that explicitly allow use in monetized videos. This avoids content ID matches. Once chosen, read the license terms, commercial use, duration limits, and attribution requirements, and download the license or take a screenshot as proof. Make sure to prefer Creative Commons with commercial permission or paid libraries that include indemnity. You should also save the artist's name and contact details in your project folder so you can resolve disputes quickly if a claim appears. Once the track is in your editor, place it where it supports the narrative and use keyframes or ducking to keep dialogue clear. Low-level background music reduces detection risk and improves watchability. Make sure to add the exact license wording and artist attribution in the video description with timestamps and a link to the license statement. Also document purchase receipts, license ID, and the file name in a project log, so you can present evidence fast if a dispute arises with Content ID. After publishing, monitor YouTube's copyright notices and analytics for any Content ID claims. Sometimes claims appear even for licensed tracks. If a claim occurs, compare the claim details against your saved license and immediately file a dispute with clear evidence while explaining authorized commercial use. If automatic disputes fail, contact the music provider or platform support with receipts. One troubleshooting tip: if you still get blocked, mute or replace the segment, re-upload, and retain all documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.